also how to restore it. So at first, let's connect to our VPS. Here I forward my MongoDB from the server to my localhost MongoDB port. I paste the password, and here I connected to my server. Now, if I open the Mongo shell on my server, and I show the DBs, here you see I have a boarding database and I have a local database. And now here I connected to SSH and I forward my MongoDB port from server to my localhost. And here, if I have here I change that to my desktop, and here I'm on my local PC. And here, if I open the Mongo, you can see it's connected to my localhost. And here I also use show DBs. It also used my server's database because I forwarded the port, and whatever I do here, that's done there. So at first, let's exit the Mongo shell. We have tools named mongodump that export export a MongoDB database. For example, you can here export board, or you can export local. There is other tools that you can export databases, collection by collection, but mongodump use databases by databases, and that's the easiest way. So here I use mongodump. As department, I enter the which database I want. I want the board, and where I want to it. I added the output. Here I want to my folder April. If and it's going to export all the board database from my Mongo, and you can see the collections here. Now here, if I go to the folder here I created April 5th and ls, here you can see there is a board in a folder, and this board, you can see all the collections here in the JSON format, and also here all collection.metadata that use the keys and